Hello all, we are here for one more lesson of this VariCAD 2016 training course, and this lesson is called Views and Coordinate Systems. So I would like to show you a couple of topics related with these two items. And for that I've opened one of the installation drawings of VariCAD, and we need to go to this view menu where we have a couple of options about the views. So we have this first option called redraw that I can call by the F6, that basically does a cleaning to my drawing. When I'm creating entities, sometimes the graphical display does not update fully what is on the screen, and the redraw will do this cleaning, graphic cleaning. After, we have a regenerate option that allow to recalculate the entities inside the drawing. It's a little also to update what is going on the drawing. Both of these two first options are graphical, so don't have effects that you can see on a command or something like that. After that, we have a couple of options that had to do with the zoom, with the possibility to increase or decrease what is being displayed on the screen. For example, this function zoom window allows us to see closer on a partial area of your drawing. So for example, one click, open a rectangle, and the second click allow me to zoom in. This is what the zoom window does. Okay, I can go and make the previous view and return one step back on the zooms, because I can make zoom after zoom after zoom. So zoom window allow me to choose one area, previous zoom allow me to go back one zoom, and I can restore the undone, which will make me one step forward. So one step back, one step forward. Zoom window we will see also. Zoom all makes me a zoom to all the entities inside the drawing, and the zoom format will make me a zoom by the format that in this case it is A3 format. Okay, it's a little different in this particular example. It's almost the same, but you can have examples where it's different from one option to the other. Besides, I have one option called a aerial view window that opens me this small dialog box where I can define what I'm seeing. I can make a smaller window defined by corners, and I'm doing a little of an aerial look on the drawing and to choose what I want in this dialog box. But this is a complement of the other functions I have here, like the window, all, or format. Okay. Besides, there are a couple of options related with the views, which are save view and restore view, which I find very interesting. And basically they allow me to go to different areas of my drawing very fast. So for example, I can save a view like this and call it save and view 1. After, I can go to a specific portion of my drawing and make again the save view and save it as view 2. Okay, and I can restore immediately these portions of the drawing that I've saved, view 1, or restore it view 2, and it doesn't matter what I have drawn or what I have created in my drawing. These functions just care with a portion of the screen that I've saved. For an easier and faster access, I can go here to the restore. I can have until 8 views, or the save here. It's exactly the same. Okay, now restore 1, restore 2, which is the same. So basically these are the functions related with the views. I would like to show you also one other function that we spoke about already, that has to do with the 2D display object. So I can control the quality of a circles depending on the number of segments that I have for these circles. This is the minimum, and I will try to create one circle that if I go and take a closer look, you see that has this graphically, it has these small lines, okay, and this is a way that the program has to save some computation power, because if I go there and increase this value, for sure that in one entity it's not very different, but the quality it's completely different, as I hope that you were able to see. Increasing the value, in the end it will put more segments on the definition of these circles, so it will be a better quality circle. To end this lesson, I would like to show you the coordinate systems. Okay, basically when you create something on the 2D side, you have here this lower space, the coordinates x and y, and if you see, when I go near this lower left corner, I approximate the 0,0 point, which in fact is the global or the original coordinate system of VariCAD. Okay, I can create my own coordinate system in this function here, or in the tools menu, the change center of coordinates. Okay, I open a function, define a new one, I click here, and more or less doesn't matter. You see that now I'm going near this place and I have these coordinates x and y near 0, and here is completely different. If I need to go back and go to the original one, reset, and again it should be near 0 here, because I've activate again the original coordinate system. I hope these were clear for you, and for more information please check our training course, theoretical training course for all questions.